I wish I could go back to that little 4-year-old kid standing in line for his first photo day at school. If I could just lean down and whisper in his ear, I'd tell him one thing: you're going to be okay. You don't have to have it all figured out right now. While I am 38 years old right now, yeah, I know, almost 40. It shocked me too. But you know what? Looking back from where I am today, I see a journey full of twists and turns and a lot of moments where I felt completely lost. For a long time, I didn't really know who I was supposed to be. I had these deep identity fears, secrets if you will. I was scared that I wouldn't measure up to people, or that I would be running in circles for the rest of my life. Maybe you feel like that right now. Maybe you are searching for something and you don't even know what you're searching for yet. If that makes sense to you, then put a heart in the comments right now so that the algorithm can push this video out to more people feeling like we do. Because my friend, for years I've been searching. I tried so many things to provide for my family and find that sense of freedom that we all talk about. I spent years of my life wasted trying to search for an online opportunity that actually works. I just wanted something simple. I just wanted something that wasn't a scam. I went through the struggles. I felt the weight of not being able to be where you wanted to be in life by now. There were literally nights where I sat there wondering if I was ever going to make it. I was worried that the clock was ticking and I was running out of time. But I am still here. And I'm not just here because I worked hard. I'm here today literally by the grace of God. He guided me through those dark hallways of doubt. He led me to something that finally clicked: the Legacy Builders program. It wasn't like the other stuff that I found over the years. It was completely different. It was literally the answer that I've been praying for. It gave me a path when I felt like I was walking through fog. This online business literally changed the way that I see my life now. It changed how I see my future. It showed me I didn't need to be perfect. I just needed to be willing to start. So, if I was talking to that 4-year-old version of me, or even my 20-year-old version, I would say this: stop worrying about the how so much. Trust the process. Trust that God has a plan for you that is bigger than your fears. You're going to find a way to build a legacy. You're going to find a way to help others do the same. All those years of searching, it wasn't a waste. They were only preparing you for this moment, right here, right now. You don't have to wait 38 years to find your path. You don't have to spend years feeling lost like I did. I found a way out of the struggle and into a life of purpose with this online business model. If you're tired of the search and ready to see what's possible, I want to help you. I want to show you exactly what changed everything for me. It's time to stop wondering when it's your turn and start making it your turn. If you're ready to see the plan that I follow, just comment the word START below and I'll send you all the details. Let's build something that lasts together. And I'll see you in my next video.